Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you this Radial gradient with some leaf stamping on it. For the base color I used Superchic Lacquer Queen of Tea. These I won't go through, but I did two just in case. Since it is a gradient, I applied Born Pretty Store liquid latex around the nail for easier cleanup, because gradients can get really messy. For the Radial gradient, I applied the dark green polish in a circle on a makeup sponge and added a little bit of that light green in the middle. Then you apply the polish with a dabbing motion onto the nail. So this is my first attempt on trying to do radial gradients, and I must say it's not the best one, but I did try my best and it came out decent enough, I suppose. If you do have any tips or tricks on how to do a good radial gradient, do let me know down in the comments. It's highly appreciated. As you can see, it really did not want to turn into a nice circle. So I decided to put a little bit of that dark green onto the edge of the sponge and then tapped it around the light green to have the nice radial gradient effect. Once I was happy with how the gradient looked, it was time to peel off the liquid latex, and as you can see, it's much easier to clean up and a lot less to clean up. For the cleanup I used a cleanup brush dipped in acetone. Then I added some top coat so the stamp design would have a nice and smooth base. For the design I used this leaves image from Beauty Bigbang's stamping plate and Bromberry Store metallic green stamping polish. I applied the stamping polish onto the plate, scraped off the excess polish and used the stamper to pick up the image, and then stamped it onto the nail. I used some tape to clean up some of the excess stamp design from the nail, but as you can see, it wasn't working out as well. I should have used liquid latex, but I forgot. Then I used a Q-tip dipped in acetone to rub off the last remains of the stamping polish, but as you can see, that kind of left my finger sparkly and a little bit stained. So I recommend using some kind of barrier around your nail when you do stamping. Lastly, I applied top coat to smooth out the design. I hope you liked this little tutorial. If you did, leave a like and consider subscribing for future videos. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. I love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!